Are you ready to spice up your Madeira itinerary? Welcome to this video, y'all. My name is Reinald from Vacationing, and today I will share with you the top 20 things I did while being in Madeira. I was there for 6 days, and it was truly an amazing experience because the island is truly diverse. From vegetation to amazing food, kind people, and beautiful scenery, I'm so excited to share with you the top 20 things I did over there. See this video as a travel recap to give you some highlights and inspiration what you can do while being in Madeira. If you want my full story and my full experience, I have also another video on my YouTube page where I explain to you in more than an hour what all the things are that I did over there in Madeira. So sit back, relax, hit that subscribe button, comment below, and let's have some fun. So y'all, starting off with tip number 20, renting a car when visiting the island of Madeira. This gives you the freedom to explore the island's breathtaking scenery and hidden gems, but be sure to drive safely though. Roads can be narrow, with two-way traffic and limited street lighting at night. So ensure that you're driving safe, take your time while traveling, and also enjoy and soak in the beautiful scenery around you. Continuing with tip number 19, visit the Kamarad viewpoint. This charming fishing village offers stunning views of the colorful harbor and also dramatic cliffs surrounding the environment. This is a beautiful spot to watch planes land. I was earlier in Madeira, and as I was waiting for my friend, I head up to the Kamarad viewpoint to see her land. And this is her landing for us to continue with our trip. Tip number 18, visit Cristo Rei in Funchal. This iconic statue overlooks the ocean and offers breathtaking views, especially at sunset though. Similar to Rio's Christ of the Redeemer, this is a symbol of peace and protection, making it not only a scenic spot but also a meaningful landmark in Funchal, Madeira. Tip number 17 is a must-see while being in Funchal, the Sa Thiago Fort. This striking yellow fort in Funchal is a piece of Madeira's history. It was originally built to defend the island from pirates. Today, it offers stunning views of the ocean and also a chance to explore the island's military past. Moving on to tip number 16, Casas Típicas de Santana. These traditional triangle-shaped houses with straw roofs are a symbol of Madeira's heritage. Visiting Santana offers a glimpse into the island's rural past, set against stunning, beautiful, and natural scenery. Next on the list is tip number 15, Porto Moniz, also known for its stunning natural lava pools. Porto Moniz is a coastal gem where you can swim in clear volcanic rock pools right by the ocean. We didn't swim though because the water was too cold, and I think definitely on a warmer day we would have jumped in those beautiful pools of water. Moving on to tip number 14. On a warm day, Seychelles natural pools would be the place to be. These beautiful volcanic pools are surrounded by dramatic cliffs and black sand. It offers natural pools where you can jump in the ocean and enjoy a little swim after all of the hiking you did. It's a perfect spot to relax and to swim in nature's own infinity pool. Moving on to tip number 13, the first hike on this list, Vereda los Balcões hike. This stunning trail takes you through lush landscapes and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. It's a relatively easy hike, and this was the very first hike we did when landing in Madeira. It's perfect for soaking in Madeira's natural beauty and capturing amazing photos along the way. Tip number 12. When walking in Rua de Santa Maria, make sure to add a stop to Toca do Bako. This is a perfect spot to taste different varieties of poncha. Poncha is Madeira's traditional drink, made with sugarcane rum, honey, and fresh fruit juice. It's a refreshing treat to showcase the island's flavors. Well, while we were enjoying these drinks, there was some live music as well, and that created that warm island vibe. And yeah, I have to tell you, after 3 drinks, we were pretty happy walking around in the city center of Funchal. Cheers. Moving on to tip number 11, Mercado dos Lavradores. This is a vibrant market in Funchal that is a feast for all of your senses. For instance, you have fresh produce, local fish, beautiful flowers, and a lot of beautiful people walking around. Be sure to stop by at La Confeitaria. This is a place, a cafe at the market where you can have delicious and traditional delicacies and pastries for a true taste of Madeira. Tip number 10, Monte Palace. This stunning tropical garden is filled with exotic plants, tranquil ponds, and impressive tile artwork. This is located in the hills of Funchal, and Monte Palace offers breathtaking views over the city and the ocean, making it actually a perfect place to unwind and explore and relax. At spot number 9, we have Waterfall of the Angels. This hidden gem is a beautiful roadside waterfall that cascades directly onto the road. It is a unique spot, especially to stop and take some beautiful photos, and for you to experience Madeira's natural beauty up close and personal. At spot number 8, we have Paulo do Mar. This is a charming coastal village that is known for its stunning ocean views and laid-back vibe. It's a great place to relax, and while you're there, don't miss the chance to enjoy fresh seafood at Restaurante Op. This restaurant is also known by the locals to have the best Madeiran seafood cuisine. Tip number 7 is for the wine lovers out there. Visit the Blandis Wine Lodge. This is a must visit for the wine lovers because it is a historical lodge that offers guided tours and tastings of Madeira's famous fortified wines. It's a great way to learn more about the island's rich history of winemaking, and along the way, have some samples as well. Tip number 6, probably the most famous trail in Madeira, is the PR1 Ferreira do Aero. This iconic hike connects the Pico de Aero to the Pico de Ruvio, the two highest peaks in Madeira. This trail offers stunning and panoramic views of the island's rugged mountains and valleys, making it one of the most breathtaking hikes in Madeira. We've been here on a cloudy day, and still it was a very beautiful hike, but I can imagine that on a clear day it would be extra stunning. Tip number 5 is one of my personal faves. Try Bolo de Caco. This is the Madeiran flatbread, actually the garlic bread, that is filled with any toppings you'd like. A must try. Delicious. Tip number 4. Visit the ruins of St. George. These ancient ruins, which are located near Funchal, offers a fascinating glimpse into Madeira's past. We actually visited this place by mistake, and honestly it has been one of the most beautiful spots we have visited in Madeira. It actually reminded me a little bit of the Reinisvara, the black sand beach in Iceland. So if you have the chance, stop by at the ruins of St. George, have a drink, have a bite, and soak in the beautiful surroundings. At the third spot, we have PR 6.1, the Lada da Risco. This scenic hike takes you along a levada, offering beautiful views of waterfalls and lush greenery. The trail is mostly downhill though, but don't worry, there is a convenient bus service that can take you all the way up, and we were very happy we could have taken that bus service. The waterfall was actually one of the most dramatic waterfalls I've experienced yet. So, most definitely worth a visit. Tip number 2, probably one of the most awesome places we have visited in Madeira, the Fel Forest. This mystical forest is famous for its ancient trees. On a foggy day, it creates a eerie yet mysterious but also beautiful scenery. However, due to the dense fog, we couldn't find our way back to our car. So ensure that you can trace your steps back to your car, and for you not to get lost like we did. But regardless, one of the most awesome places we visited. I can't wait to share this one with you. Tip number 1 is visit Restaurante Op. This eatery offers traditional Madeiran cuisine, And if you can hear my voice, I'm so excited to share this with you. There are multiple things on the menu which are truly delicious. Every single thing was so delicious and so fresh. My recommendation would be to get the espetada. This right here. Juicy meat in a delicious seasoning which is gonna make you lick the plate. Yes, this was delicious. I'm so excited for you to try it as well. So that was it, the top 20 tips of what to do in Madeira. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through Madeira. From breathtaking views to delicious food, this island truly has something for everyone. I hope these tips will help you make the most out of your trip. If you have enjoyed this recap, don't forget to subscribe and comment below what your unique experiences were or are gonna be in Madeira. Until next time, happy travels.